Welcome to my channel. Ooze the Explorer. Today my topic is MetaVision, exploring the future of content with Ray-Ban smart glasses. In this video I will explain Introduction. What are Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses? The hands-on experience. In pursuit of content. The future of smart glasses. Challenges and limitations. Conclusion. Q&A. Introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future. Today, we're here to talk about a technological marvel that will change the way we see the world: Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. These glasses have been designed to redefine what it means to be connected and engaged in the digital age. Imagine being able to access all your favorite apps, social media platforms, and emails without ever having to take your eyes off the world around you. With Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, this dream is now a reality. These glasses are not just a new product, but a new way of life. They offer unparalleled convenience, efficiency, and style, making them a must-have for anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. What are Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses? Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses are a revolutionary new product that combines cutting-edge technology with stylish design. These glasses feature a high-resolution display that projects images directly onto the lenses, creating an immersive viewing experience unlike anything else on the market. With Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, users can access a wide range of apps and services with just a few simple gestures. From checking the weather to browsing social media, these glasses offer a seamless way to stay connected and informed throughout the day. And thanks to their advanced voice recognition technology, users can control their glasses using nothing but their voice, making them incredibly easy and intuitive to use. The hands-on experience. As I put on the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, I was immediately transported to a world that felt both familiar and futuristic. The glasses fit comfortably on my face, and the display was clear and easy to read. With a simple voice command, I was able to access a variety of apps and features, from checking the weather to browsing social media. But what really blew me away was the augmented reality capabilities of the glasses. As I walked around, the glasses overlaid information and graphics onto my surroundings, seamlessly blending the virtual and physical worlds. It was like having a personal assistant with me at all times, guiding me through my day and providing helpful insights along the way. In pursuit of content. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses are poised to revolutionize the way we consume and interact with digital content. With their advanced features and capabilities, these glasses have the potential to transform the way we learn, work, and play. Imagine being able to access a wealth of information right before your eyes, without having to take your attention away from the task at hand. With Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, you could have instant access to maps, directions, and other important data while on the go. You could also use them to watch movies, play games, and even attend virtual meetings or events, all without ever having to take your eyes off the screen. The future of smart glasses. Smart glasses like Ray-Ban Meta represent a major step forward in wearable technology, offering users a seamless and intuitive way to interact with the world around them. With their advanced sensors and powerful computing capabilities, these devices have the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, from healthcare and manufacturing to entertainment and education. As we look to the future, it's clear that smart glasses will play an increasingly important role in our lives. From augmented reality games and immersive storytelling experiences to real-time language translation and remote collaboration tools, the possibilities are endless. As this technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see even more exciting and innovative use cases emerge, transforming the way we live, work, and play. Challenges and limitations. While there is no denying the potential benefits of smart glasses technology, it is important to acknowledge the challenges and limitations that come with it. One of the biggest concerns is privacy. With the ability to record audio and video, smart glasses raise questions about who has access to this information and how it could be used. Additionally, there are technical limitations such as battery life and connectivity issues that need to be addressed in order for smart glasses to become a mainstream technology. On the other hand, there are also many potential benefits to smart glasses technology. They could revolutionize the way we work and interact with the world around us. For example, they could provide real-time translations during conversations or display helpful information while driving. As with any new technology, it is important to weigh the pros and cons and find ways to mitigate the risks. Conclusion. In conclusion, Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses represent a major step forward in the world of wearable technology. With their advanced features and capabilities, they offer users an unparalleled level of convenience and functionality. Whether you're looking to enhance your content consumption experience or simply stay connected on the go, Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses have something to offer everyone. So, if you're looking for a cutting-edge technology that's both practical and stylish, look no further than the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Q&A. Thank you for watching to my video. On Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Now, I would like to open the floor for questions and discussion. If you have any questions about the features, capabilities, or potential applications of these smart glasses, please don't hesitate to ask. I also welcome any related topics and ideas that you may want to discuss. Let's engage in a thoughtful and stimulating conversation about the future of smart glasses and their impact on technology and society.